let's talk about faceless channels. Why is it always about kids animation? There can be many other ideas too, right? So today I brought an idea for a faceless history channel that you can easily create. Although the tool I'm going to use today has all the features, we want to do everything for free. So that's why I'll use two tools. So the first tool is Artflow AI. After signing up, you get to see this interface on the left. You can see that there's an image studio where you can generate images. There's also a video studio where you can create animations and do voiceovers. And then there's a story studio where you can generate stories with the help of AI. And there's an actor builder where you can upload 10 images and create yourself in any avatar you like. And here you also get 100 free credits. So now for example, we are creating a history channel. So the first thing we do is to select a topic. I've already selected a topic, written its script and prepared prompts to generate scene by scene images. All of these tasks can be easily done using the Story Builder tool. In this tool, you have two options. You can either write the entire story with the help of AI, or you can provide your own idea and the AI will write the story based on it. However, I have personally prepared my story, so I'll enter prompts one by one and generate images accordingly. So here, I'll leave the content type as a default option, otherwise there are two options here, portrait and general. After that, I'll turn on director mode and I'll adjust it to make our character look good. Here we have three options. Full shot, where our character will be fully visible, mid shot, where it's half visible, and close up, where you'll see a close up of the character. So for my first shot, I'll choose the close up option. We can set a character face orientation to left, right or front. I'll set it to the front and choose a male character because I want a male character. And after that, I'll enter my prompts. You can see there are different styles available, but for now I'll stick with digital art. And then I'll click on generate. So you can see that it has generated 4 images. So in this way, I'll keep entering all my prompts and generating images one by one. So once all the images are generated, we'll head to the video studio. Here on the left, you will see the images we have generated under creation. In addition to these, you can go to upload and drag and drop any image from anywhere. Furthermore, here you will find 4 sections. Scenes, where we'll adjust our scenes. Characters, if we need to add a different character, we'll do that. And we'll do voiceovers in the dialogue section. And add transition effects in the effects section. So now I'll go into the scene section and continue setting up my images according to the script. I'm not currently using any specific character, so I'll skip this option. However, here you can either generate your own character or use some built-in ones. So now we'll move on the third step, which is dialogue. Here you can find built-in voiceovers, but all of them are in the paid version. That's why we'll use another tool to generate the voice as I mentioned earlier. You can use any voice generator of your choice. For now, I'll use 11 Labs. I've already shared information about this tool in one of my previous videos and you can find the link to it in the description. Here I'll select a voice that suits my character and generate its dialogue scene by scene. So now that all my dialogues have been generated and downloaded, I'll go back to Artflow AI. Here in the dialogue option, I'll go to upload and add the voices we generated. Then in this box, I'll continue writing the scene by scene script and I also turn on speaking animations for the images. Then we come to the effects section. Here you have the option to apply transitions under the camera section and different filters in the filter section. I'll apply transition according to the scenes. So after that, we move to the final step, which is the export. From here, we'll export a video, write the topic, and there you go. Our video is ready. So let's see how it's turned out.
Hello everyone, I'm Marcus and today I'm here to share a memorable story with you. This is the story of the Roman Empire, a narrative that encompasses its rise starting as a small city-state in Italy. It faced numerous challenges both from external invasions and internal conflicts, but it continued to expand and incorporate new territories. During its golden age, the Roman Empire made remarkable contributions to art, literature, and governance, exemplified by grand structures like the Colosseum and an extensive network of Roman roads. However, the empire's vast expanse eventually strained its resources, leading to economic and political instability. In 476 AD, the Roman Empire officially signaled its decline. This is the story of the Roman Empire, a fascinating chapter in history, which I hope you found captivating.
So you have seen how amazing it is in generating a video with captions and effects. Here we have two options: download and remix. This means if you don't like this editing, you can generate it again. But for that, you will need the pro version. Here we'll go ahead and download it with captions. You can also choose to download it without captions if you prefer. So after this, some people might say that there's a watermark here, but you can easily crop or blur it in any video editor. In this way, you can easily create a faceless channel. If you have an interest in something other than history, you can also create it easily using this method. So I hope this video has been valuable for you and you have learned something new and creative.